Good morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in the lake park. I just gonna go walking for 2 hours. After lake park, I'm going to Cornish Beach. Any bird here, oh. They're looking for food. They don't have food yet. I see the duck, oh. There, the duck is there. I see. Oh, the bird is flying around. That's the footbridge in my back. See that? So many bird. The duck is there. Oh. They went to the other side. Oh. Oh, the bird. After this, I'm going to the Cornish Beach. I'm gonna go walk there so that I can have fresh air from the ocean. Today is my day off, but I'm busy because after walking, maybe I'm gonna visit my school, Global Church Institute. This afternoon, I have awarding ceremony to attend. It's year-in awarding in our church. To those who is based in volunteers, they gonna give certificate. Let's say this is a man-made lake. Look at the bird, they're flying around. The water fountain, they're not opening. It's the water fountain in the middle. Look, the duck is there swimming. They're swimming in the other side. Oh, yeah. Oh.